Welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today we're going to do something a little bit different and a whole lot of special, and it involves my kids. So let's get started. I thought it would be super fun to see what the kids would buy. I'm going to give them $20 and see how much food that they can buy for our family, keeping in mind that they're probably responsible for dinner, and if they have any extras, then think about like lunch and breakfast. Doesn't that sound like a lot of fun? So I thought we could head over to Walmart. Things tend to be on the little less expensive side, and so we'll do a kids haul. How's that sound? All right, I got the youngest here since he's already home. So do you think, Ezra, that you can get a lot of food for $20?
Probably.
You think so? Do you think you already know what you want to get?
You'll see.
Oh, so when the rules being that whatever the kids get, we'll make. I will help, but that's what will be for our dinner, right? Yeah. Okay. Do you think it's going to be some things that we are going to like? Okay.
It's my favorite.
It's your favorite things. Okay, so let's see what the older boys say. All right, so I got my middle schooler, and do you think that you can get a lot of food for $20?
I think at least 2 meals.
2 meals. Do you know what you're gonna get? Don't tell them. But do you know what you're gonna get?
You'll see.
I think Ezra told him what he said. So you can also use Dad's like barbecuing skills if that's something that you want.
Yeah, but actually I do know.
Yeah, oh, he does know. Okay, so let's head over to Walmart and we'll talk to my oldest in the car. So Kobe is a little undecided, but I'm sure he will figure it out. Do you think $20 will get you a lot of the food?
No.
Since we spent way more than that just on some of his snacks last night. Okay, gonna get some veggies, huh? Okay.
Got so much stuff. So many.
You can't wait to show it?
Yep.
And a salad? Wow, look at you. Okay, so you have like $5 left. So we can make some choices on salad. Okay?
Yeah.
This is so much harder than I thought it would be. So I am so curious. Are you curious, like what their thought process was and what they chose? Let's have Ez go first. Okay, so I think Ezra had the most food out of the $20. So you spent, do you remember?
19.
$19. Good job. So he knew immediately, what is that?
Mac and cheese.
So he wanted to have that for dinner. And that has like the special, like the creamy one, right?
Yeah.
So is that the good one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then what else? Let's see what we got in here. Kind of told him that it's going to be for dinner. So what do you want to have with dinner?
Bacon.
So why did you choose bacon?
Because bacon's good.
I agree. Bacon's good. Ezra will often say that he's a vegetarian except for the
Bacon.
bacon. So I think that'll be a great combination. But I said, let's make this even a little bit healthier. And what did you choose?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. So we had roasted broccoli the other day, and it was
Really good.
so good. It was really good. So we're going to implement having roasted broccoli, which is just at $4.25 for, I think I did it for 13 to 15 minutes, but having like a little salt and pepper, a little olive oil mixed onto it beforehand. And then when it came out, sprinkling some lemon juice on it. So good.
And
Okay,
then for breakfast.
show them the front.
Okay.
What is that?
Waffle.
Not just any waffles.
Chocolate chip ones.
So he's been telling the boys, this is my breakfast, not yours. And he actually hasn't had waffles like this. I can't even remember the last time you ate waffles.
I like it again.
like a year ago.
2 probably.
Maybe. It was just such a long time ago. So, okay, if he wants to have those waffles, but there's more.
Some celery.
Some celery because
I like it.
sounds good to me. And he got his favorite chips. And then this was just $1, so we thought we could slice it up and he can make little sandwiches with that, right? So the chips, the celery, and the bread are for lunch. So I think you did really good, Ezra. Do you feel good about this?
Yeah.
I can't wait to have that for dinner. Mac and cheese with bacon. Sounds delicious. Let me know in the comments how he did. Let him know. And you guys, it was just really sweet to see him thinking this through. So let's get the next one. Okay, we have boy number 2, Jonas. Now, how much did you spend?
$20.
$20. Now, let me tell you, he did not get as much, but he was very specific on what he got, right? And so it was a little pricier.
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings. Okay, so Dad has a really good recipe that he can put on the Traeger. He and Paul love wings. Can't say I love wings, but that's okay. I'll eat a sandwich that night. But with the wings come
potato wedges.
Now these wedges I don't even really buy, so I'm so glad you saw those, and if you guys like them, we'll get them more often.
Okay.
Okay, so tell us a little bit more about this stuff here.
Okay, so this is honey barbecue.
Okay, and why did you get those chips? Is this for lunches or what? More dinners?
For lunches.
Okay.
And I like honey barbecue because on the back it says sweet and smoky.
Ooh, okay. Have you ever had those before?
No.
Oh, okay.
And then French bread, because of the same reason Ezra did.
Yeah, it was just $1. We can slice it up. It can last for a couple of days, maybe a few days on everybody's lunches. Okay. And then he was very specific with this one.
I know. So I wanted lunch meat, but chicken, rotisserie chicken.
Yeah, so he is my kid that loves rotisserie chicken. And so I normally just buy turkey or ham or something like that. But he was like, no, I want to get chicken. So you think you'll be happy with that for your lunches?
Yes.
I'm sure Ezra will share some of the celery for your lunch too.
I think Ezra will like to share some of this chicken with me too.
Okay, you guys, let me know in the comments what you think about Jonas's meal. And let's see what Kobe got. All right, welcome my Kobe, who I have to adjust the camera for because how tall are you?
I'm like 6'1".
Pushing 6'2", because Paul is 6'2", and I think Kobe is starting to beat him so in height. Okay, how much did you spend here?
I spent $14.94.
Yeah, so he was our first one we went through, and Kobe is our breakfast guy. Like, he loves all things breakfast. What's kind of your favorite thing right now with your cereal?
Fruity Pebbles and orange juice as milk.
Can you hear that? Fruity Pebbles and orange juice. Ew. So, let's get started. Tell us what you got.
I got eggs.
What are we making with those? Just scrambled eggs?
We're just making scrambled eggs.
Okay, so also...
Got bananas.
4...
Oh, I almost dropped that. Banana pancakes.
Well, they need to be ripe anyway. So if they have bruises on them, I guess that's ripened. Okay, so he's making banana pancakes. So he's following a recipe. And we have everything that we need for the recipe already here. Like sugar and flour and even ripened bananas. So he's just replacing the ripened ones from behind us. So that's going to be super yummy. So we thought, how could we make that with, maybe some scrambled eggs and...
We got bacon.
Make it some bacon. So breakfast for dinner is always so good. So he had a lot of leftover money, and I'm like pulling out ideas from him, and he found
some raisin bread.
That's
Cinnamon,
good stuff, huh?
Raisin bread. Yeah, it's bomb.
That's really good.
It's bomb.
So we also have, why did you get milk? Oh, for the recipe.
Yeah, I got milk for the pancakes.
And we also have a lot of cereal up actually that we can use too with that. If you don't want to use orange juice with your cereal, you can actually use milk.
Yeah.
And
We got sweet Hawaiian biscuits for...
now these biscuits, can you see there's the sweet Hawaiian ones? Those are really good if you haven't had these ones. And what do we use them for?
For breakfast biscuits.
So the breakfast biscuits, I've made them before, and all you pretty much do is like handful of cheese, a couple eggs, and your breakfast meat of choice like bacon or crumbled up sausage, and then you just kind of fill the wells and bake them. It's really good, huh?
Yeah.
So that's it. Good job. Let Kobe know how he did. And actually having all of these things together would be a wonderful breakfast.
I think I did the best.
Well, that was so much fun, don't you think? Plus, they were able to get a lot of food, I think, for $20. I think it just kind of depends on where you go shopping. So Walmart, if you have any discount stores that are nearby, for us, Winco would have been a great option. In fact, we thought maybe we'd go there, but opted to go to Walmart instead. So, and you got to get to know a little bit more about my boys. They're just so handsome, right? As a mother. Gushing over her boys. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you loved seeing the $20 challenge. Maybe we'll do some more family challenges with the kids. Just let me know if you're interested in seeing some more of those things. And you guys, stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.